Combined robot vacuum cleaner with programming. Meet the ultimate cleaning companion for your home, the 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo. With powerful 2300 PA suction and 2 adjustable levels, this smart cleaner easily lifts dust, pet hair, and debris from hard floors and carpets. Its intelligent mopping system uses an electric water tank with dual-level control for a deep, thorough clean, perfect for laminate, tile, granite, and more. It's everything you need in one sleek, slim device. Cleaning just got smarter. Use the Tuya Smart app to schedule cleaning, switch modes, or direct your robot remotely. Even check for issues in real time. Voice control through Google Assistant makes it even easier. Just say the word, and your vacuum gets to work. Designed for all users, it's especially friendly for beginners and seniors. Please note, app control supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Thanks to 3D obstacle avoidance and a super slim 2.87 profile, this robot maneuvers around furniture, walls, and stairs with ease. It reaches tight corners and under low beds, spots traditional vacuums can't handle. Choose from 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, or zigzag. The zigzag route boosts coverage and efficiency by 30%, leaving no area behind. With a 2500 mAh battery, enjoy up to 100 minutes of non-stop cleaning across 1290 SQFT. When it's done, or running low, it recharges itself automatically, and with its advanced, non-rolling brush, hair never gets tangled, making it perfect for pet owners. Quiet yet powerful, this is the robot vacuum that gives your home the care it deserves, effortlessly.